Hi, and welcome to In the Can. And today I'm going to make some thumbprint cookies. Got Christmas coming up soon, so in the bowl here I have a cup of butter, and to that I'm going to add two-thirds of a cup of sugar. And now I'm going to use my mixer and I'm going to whip this together. And I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. And to this, I'm going to add one and a half teaspoons of almond extract. It's important that you use almond extract. Do not use vanilla. The almond extract is what gives the cookie some flavor. And I'm going to add, I've got 2 cups of flour here. I'm going to add about half of it. And going to stop for a second. I want to preheat my oven. To 350. Add in the rest of the flour. Once again, scrape down the bowl. This off the table. And now I'm going to get my cookie sheet out. I'm going to line it with a piece of parchment paper. Hi, I'm back. I've got my baking sheet here. It's lined with parchment. I'm going to take a small amount of this cookie dough and roll it into a ball. Place it on the sheet. Press my thumb into it. I've got a jar of apricot preserves here. I'm going to take a small amount of the apricot preserves and push it into the thumbprint. And I'm going to finish rolling these out. making the cookies, fill up the cookie sheet, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my cookies set out about 2.5 to 3 inches apart and ready to go in the oven. So I'm going to put them in the oven for roughly 15 minutes, and I'll be back when they're done. Hi, and I'm back with the first of the apricot jam cookies. So let's give it a try. Now the cookie part is very light and soft and has a slight almond flavor. It pairs really well with the apricot jam. So this will make about 23-24 cookies, and hopefully you'll give it a try, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.